This is session of Financial Account Master. Now we will discuss about the Ledger Masters, Ledger Heads, and Ledger Group Master. First one is the Ally Master. What is Ally Master? We will let you know. Here, actually, in our trial balance, we are having Schedule 6 means main ledgers like current liability, direct expenses, indirect expenses, direct income, indirect income. So, those heads we have to create here, which is the trial balance main heads. So, I can show you already here some heads are created, current assets, liability. So, I will show you how to create as example. Suppose I have to create direct income. So, we'll create the direct income, and this head, main head belongs to which type of ledger? Asset, liability, income, or expenses. So direct income will belongs to income. So I will select the income and then save it. This name, head name already is there. So already it is there. So we just keep any dot, save. So in Ally Master, we have to create the main uh, group head, main heads, which will come in the level 1 of trial balance and profit and loss and balance sheet. Now next one. Next one is Ledger Group Master. Here we are creating the group. Suppose as example I will show you. For any accounts we are having some hierarchy. So first one is as I told you we are having certain 6 or 8 heads which will come in the trial balance as a main group. These are the main group which we are creating in Ally Master. Now we created current asset. Now under current asset some group heads will be there like bank account, cash account, loan and advances account. Now these are the group heads. Suppose so these group heads mean how we can define these are the group heads. If we are creating any ledger under this head, so uh, in middle whatever the heads we are creating, this will be treated as a group head only. So suppose we are having one direct income. Under direct income, or suppose I will take the example of current asset only. This is the current asset. Under current asset we are getting one bank account. So bank account will be my the group ledger group. Under this bank account if I creating any bank account or any ledgers, those will be treated as a ledger. Suppose in current accounts we created two group heads, bank account and cash in hand also. So how cash in hand becomes a group? If we created any ledger, see you can see here in cash in hand we created the cash ledger. So that's why cash in hands become group. So for that we are creating here the group. You can do here multiple groups. Suppose example I will tell you this loan and advances. Under loan and advances sundry debtors are there. Under sundry debtors also some group is there. So here two groups are there. First one is the current asset. First one is the current asset is the main head. Next one is loan and advances. Under loan and advances we are having sundry debtors, also a group head. Under sundry debtors we are having certain ledgers. So these all are the ledgers, and sundry debtors is the group ledger of this Alankrit Healthcare, and loan advances is a group head of sundry debtors. So from main heads to ledger, in between whatever we are creating the groups, those ledgers we will treat as a group ledger and will create here. You can see I will show you this sundry debtors first. How sundry debtors created here? See here sundry debtors. So we created sundry debtors under group loan and advances. So you can see here, Sunny Traders is created under loan and advances. Now loan and advances, we'll select loan and advances. This is created under current asset. As I told you, loan and advances under current asset. So in group head, we will create like this. So this is the group head. Now ledger master. Ledger master is the last component against which we are doing the transactions. So at last you can see here for sundry debtors we are having Alankrit, Apollo, Bajaj, Cash Nation. Under this no any ledgers are there. So whatever the last component is there, last ledger, it will treat as a ledger which we will create in the ledger master, which you can see here. I will show you Alankrit. Alankrit Healthcare is created here under sundry debtors. So this will be the ledger and you can do all the transactions under the ledgers only, which list is coming here, which we will create here in this form. We can do the transactions on these ledgers only, not beyond these ledgers. Now in ledger master we are creating ledger name here. I will show you how to create ledger master. Suppose I am Shah. Under group, under which group it will come? So here it will come all the group which we get in the group master. This is group master. So we can select here the group, under group. Now next one, description. If you want to give any description you can give. This is active, inactive, checkbox. This is a check head, not in use right now. Now type of mode. What is type of mode? So in account ledger we can treat this ledger as a cash ledger or as a bank ledger or others. So what is the impact of this? If we select this ledger as a cash ledger, so this ledger will come for making the payment and taking the receipt also. Means in payment voucher and receipt voucher, this ledger will come. If you put others, then also it will come. But for payment voucher, suppose we are going to pay to someone, so we will debit the party and credit the bank account or cash account. So if we selected here cash of this, so only this will come there as a cash. If not, then will not come. If we select bank, then only we can do the payment by this account, or we can take receipt by this account. And if the ledger is selected as a bank, then only we can do the BRS also. About BRS also you will get another video. So if you select bank, then only this ledger will come in the BRS for doing the reconciliation. This is the BRS effective date. If you select any account as any ledger as a bank, so it will ask you the BRS effective date, from which date you are going to start your BRS. Next one is show in authorized check. So if you click here show in authorized check, so we having one form authorized check which will consider as a vendor pending bills. So in this ledger, if any voucher is posted under journal ledger or bill booking voucher or purchase journal, will come there. If we did not tick this, it will not come. Next one is tedious head. Suppose we want to create one tedious head. So we will mention the tedious ledger name and we'll tick this tedious head. If we want this ledger to attract the tedious, means if we select this ledger at the time of making general voucher or payment voucher, so tedious automatically have to calculate. So in that case we have to select this as a tedious attract head. Next is the extra information where we can do the bank account number, bank name, bank branch, city, IFSC code, all the things we can mention there. And here one grid is there, tedious grid. This will applicable only when we select this account as a tedious head attract. So it will ask you which company or non-company or non-company. This head is belongs to company or non-company. This is a type, and here we have to select the TDS name. Which TDS we have to consider for this ledger. Now one thing I forgot, whenever you will create the TDS head, that time when some details will come. Ledger belongs to which section, what is the limit from and to, what is the TDS company others percentage and individual percentage. For example, I will show you some details. TDS contractor. So TDS contractor we have created. This is the TDS head, then this is the section, limit from, limit to, this is the company others percentage, and this is the individual percentage. So whenever we will do the TDS attract, so in that time if we select company as a type, so it will bring this percentage. If we are non-company, then it will bring this 10 percentage. So this is the same. So this is the functionality of these three forms: Ally Master, Ledger Group Master, and Ledger Master.